Okay, today we have a situation we must discuss. There's this group of second graders, and they're on a playground, and they find a bag of money. In the bag of money is $27,982. There are 17 children on the playground. They find the bag of money, they take it to their teacher. What do we do? Teacher, what do we do? Teacher calls the police. Policeman comes and says, okay, in 2 weeks, if no one claims the money, you guys can have it. So the children wait and wait and wait. 2 weeks later, no one's claimed the money. Policeman says, here you go. The bag of money is yours. So the children start to divide up the money. So what do? What do?
Divide 27,982 by 17.
They do not. What do?
We don't know.
Okay, think like a 7-year-old. You're a 7-year-old on the playground and you have a bag of money. What are you going to do?
Pour it all out and start counting it.
Aha! We're going to dump out the money into a pile, but we're not going to start counting it because everybody wants their money and they want their money now. So what are we going to do? Think like a little kid.
Start at $1 and give $1 each one.
That's exactly what they're going to do. $1 for you, $1 for you, $1 for you, $1 for you. Okay, this is not working so well. So we need a new plan. What are we going to do?
Raise the amount.
Raise the amount. So what can we do that would be easier than $1 for you, $1 for you, $1 for you?
$20.
$20? Okay, let's do that. All right, we have $27,982. And because we're 7-year-olds, we want numbers we can keep track of in our head. So, 20. How can I multiply 17 times 20 in my head? What do I know how to do in my head?
2 times 7?
2 times 17 is?
34.
I thought you knew how to do this in your head. 2 times 17 is?
34.
34. So if 2 times 17 is 34, what's 20 times 17?
340.
340. So if we give each child $20, $20 for you, $20 for you, $20 for you, $20 for you, we have taken $340 out of our bag of money. So what does that leave me? Let's see if I can subtract. You guys need to watch and let me know if I mess up. $27,642. This is going to take a while. What shall we do now?
Get a larger amount.
Get a larger amount. Okay, but we need stuff we can keep track of in our heads because we're only 7 years old. So what are we going to do?
100.
100 is a very good choice. Okay, if each child gets $100, then how much comes out of the pile now?
$1,700.
How'd you figure that out?
17 and then add the 2 zeros.
17 times 100 is 17 with 2 zeros. All right, so now we've taken $1,700 out of the pile. Let's see. 16 minus 7 is 9. 6 minus 1 is 5. So $25,942, is that correct? Okay, this is still going to take a while. Do me better.
$500.
$500. Ooh, 500 may be hard to do in my head. What would be a bigger number that'd be easier to do in my head?
1,000.
1,000. Let's do 1,000. Okay, if we give each child $1,000, how much is that?
$17,000.
$17,000 that we're going to take out of the pile of money now. we'll subtract that out. 25, 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, $8,942, we made progress. That is much better. Now, still need to give away a pile. So let's think about that 500 that you said. If 1,000 is 17,000, 500 is half of that. What's half of 17,000? Can you do it in your head, Jack? 8,500. Because half of 17 is 8.5. Oh, and that gave us definite progress. We now have $442 left. We got 17 kids, so we can't do 100. That's too much. The 20. What do you think about giving everybody 20 now? Let's do that. Okay. We give everybody 20. That is another 340. Okay, I have $102 left. I'm going to have to move up because I ran out of room. $102, what can I give everybody?
10.
Let's try 10. What's 10 times 17?
170.
170. So 10's not going to work because we don't have $170 left. So what could we do?
5.
5. Okay. How can we figure out 5 in our head? 5 times 17.
5 times 17.
How can you do that mentally in your head without calculating it out? No air math, no 175 and doing this stuff. Oh, I forgot to write down my 500 here, didn't I? Okay, maybe that'll help you with a hint. If 10 is 170, what's 5?
Half of 170.
Half of 170, which is 85. Now, if you look at my 500 was 8,500, how could you have looked at that and figured it out? Drop the zeros. If 500 is 8,500, then 5 would just be 85. Okay, so 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. Oh, wow. What shall we do now? Everybody gets $1. 1 times 17 is 17. And there we go. There's no money left. So now, how do we figure out how much money everybody got?
Add the values that we picked together.
Add the values that we picked. And let's see if I can just look at this. There's 1,000. So I know I've got 1,000. What about my hundreds?
Add 9 zeros.
Well, could we just look at this number and this number?
600.
600. Okay, now if I look at my tens place, I've got 20, 20. Oh, that's it. So what's that?
40.
40. And then what's left?
6.
5 and 1 is 6. So each child got $1,646. And that is the same as doing long division, but it makes more sense.